drop the foot to the right side. Wait. So when you drop it, you see this toe can be pointing back. You have to point it like mine. So raise your right hand up. Right hand up. Down. Right hand up. And wild kicks. Go to wild kicks. Right hand up. You see this leg must be pointing back. This is the right hand. Point down all of it. If like this cannot be like this. Like this, then it will cannot balance. Okay? So the leg is like this. So you put leg like this. And this one also pointing front. So this one, we can down or we can heel up. Heel up. So when you heel up, this leg will go. So when you down, you must heel up also. This is the thing. So you can heel up and push your hip up. And when you do this, your left toe must be grounded. Your right toe grounded. If you want heel up, then heel up. Or heel down, up to you. But your right shoulder and wrist one line. See the right shoulder wrist one line. You cannot too much far. See? One line. You cannot, that first one. You cannot too much far. See? Shoulder wrist one line. And then right biceps to the ear, biceps close to the ear. And open the fingers and look to the finger. And this is supposed to be your both shoulder one line. But see, it's like it's flat. Push your chest more. Push your chest. Push your hip. Like this. More. Push your hip up. Push. This one is down. Not very aligned. So when you do this, you make right one down. If like this cannot be like this. Like this, then you feel cannot balance. Remember, so the leg goes like this. So put leg like this. And this one also pointing front. So this one, we can down or we can heel up. Heel also can be up. Heel up. So when you heel up, this leg can walk. Your left toe must be grounded. Your right toe grounded. If you want heel up, can heel up. Or heel down, not heel. But your right shoulder and wrist one line. See the right shoulder wrist one line. You cannot too much far. See? One line. You cannot, the first one. You cannot too much far. See? Shoulder wrist one line. And then right biceps to the ear, biceps close to ear. And open the fingers. And this is supposed to be your both shoulder one line. But see, it's like this, it's flat. Push your chest more. Push your chest, push your hip. That's it. The heel is more. Push your hip up. Push. This one also down.